Hi, my name is Billy Barrios, the very proud principal of Williams Elementary School. We are a TK through third grade school, and this is where your student will start building their foundation for the rest of their educational journey. At Williams Elementary School, we believe it's important to educate the whole child. So along with our rigorous academic curriculum, we also offer a social emotional learning curriculum and character counts. Williams Elementary is an Apple Distinguished School, which is a very high honor. Every student gets an iPad, and they use this iPad to enhance learning and have voice and choice in how they show what they know. And here at Williams, we're a community of learners. We learn just as much from our students as they learn from us. We all work together, and we are a Jaguar family. Our teachers and staff understand the importance of building relationships, not only with our students, but with our families. We have a culture of inclusion and belonging and know that every student deserves the best and can achieve the best. Our motto is, every student matters and every moment counts, and we really believe that. When you're ready to enroll or just need more information, please call our office or visit our website. We're looking forward to welcoming you to our Jaguar family.
Have a great day!